Hey guys, this is Ed, and welcome back to 813 Gardens. Um, I decided I'm going to try something different. So, what you're looking at right now is my 72 um, slot or whatever um, tray, germinating tray. Okay, I've used this a couple times. It's worked okay, but to be honest, I'm not impressed. And just recently, I figured out the problem, but it got infested with some type of insect. It was spider gnats or whatever. So I'm going to try something different today, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I picked up one of these plastic containers from the dollar store, basically. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try something different. I'm going to put some holes in the bottom of here. Okay. I'm going to fill it up with soil, and then I'm going to put my seeds in here, and I'm going to put it sectioned off. Like uh, the red Marconis are going to go here, the orange are going to go here, and then on the other side, I'll do the some ghost pepper seeds. I'm just going to put a ton of seeds in there, and I'm going to see what happens. First, I got to drill some holes in this. Okay, so we got our container, got our holes in the bottom. All right. Okay, next I have a second container, which is going to serve as my reservoir or my drain. Okay, so I put a few rocks in the bottom so that this is not allowed to drop all the way down on the bottom. It's going to be elevated, maybe a quarter of an inch or so. It's going to go like that, and I'm going to fill it up with soil. Okay, soil's in, and I use popsicle sticks to label. You can use whatever you want, but I use popsicle sticks to label my seeds. Okay, so in this section, it's going to be red Marconi peppers. This section is going to be orange Marconi. This section is going to be yellow Marconi. And the advantage to this is, in the event that it gets a little bit mixed up, it's fine. It's all Marconi peppers, right? Okay, so that's basically it. I'm going to sprinkle these seeds on top, work them in the soil a little bit, water the soil, and I'm good to go. So I've created a planter, germinating planter, sorry, with a reservoir on the bottom. So any water that I put in here that drains, it's going to drain into this lower bin. So we'll see what happens. I'll give you an update and tell you if this works or not. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Don't forget, we're a new channel, but we're going to be putting out a lot of material. We're going to try to help and learn from others. So make sure you comment, like, and always subscribe.